I'm Bharat Vyas. I'm a PhD candidate at Trinity College Dublin. I'm also a research assistant here. So my job is to work on research on computer animation, character animation, and virtual reality. So these motion capture technologies are used in movies and games. So we use those technologies and how we can advance them. So I'm working with character animation. So usually they are driven with motion capture we record in studios. These are based on IMU sensors, so we can stream the data live from these sensors to any game engine or to their built-in system. I never thought I would be working with AI, and most of people who work with me, they are not from computer science background. Like, they are from psychology, they did music theory, things like that. I studied engineering, automation engineering in college. It was mostly physics, mechanics, and electronics. Those are very different than what I'm working right now. But what I'm trying to do is, instead of using those captured motion, how we can use real world physics in virtual reality so that we can drive those characters realistically. It's always interesting and fascinating. Every day we come up with something new. We get to work with all these latest tech, which is very cool.